Hi everyone, I'm on here early tonight. I'm so excited to share information with you all this morning or this evening. I'm saying this morning, this evening. It's been a busy day. Sorry, you guys. Um, I want to share some information regarding the tax season that starts on the 24th. The IRS will begin starting officially. I know they're doing some test batches. So some people have already been already accepted because of the test. They do the test every year, the IRS, right before tax season officially begins. I have a lot of information. I have already done a webinar about the tax season early in January for some of you who have already watched it. My tech software company shared a lot of information doing training. It's a lot going on this year, and there's a lot that people may not be sharing with you, other tax preparers. Now, some of them may be, but some of them aren't. So I'm gonna recap or re-go over some of the information that I shared uh, earlier this tax season because you need to know this. You need to know this before you file. There's some people have already filed. They already have done the tax advance loan. However, if you have not already filed your taxes, I'm gonna share some information that I know that will help you. Now, for many of you, you've been hearing from the IRS, and I just shared the post from the IRS. They've been telling people, make sure you have all your information before you file. You have to make sure that you receive all your information before you file. If some people have been filing for the tax advance loans, and you must have your paperwork. Even if you're my client, I'm going to tell you, do you have all your paperwork? Do you have the advanced child tax credit letter? Do you have the amount that's on the portal? Because you could also go to the IRS and go to a portal and they have the amount of which you receive. It has to be exact. They told us during training that the amounts have to match what the IRS has on file, you guys. The information, has to match this year. There's no guessing games this year during tax season. I know a lot of tax preparers go ahead and they take the information right from the people's mouth, and then later they get the information. But this tax season, that's why they kept having training sessions and telling us all this. And I've been study sharing on my page, by Grace Tax Services page, as well as my um, timeline on Facebook and on other sites as well. I've been study sharing information because you have to make sure that you have the information that what the IRS have. Now, if you're on YouTube tonight, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So when I come back on here and share other information with you guys, even besides tax season, if you hit that subscribe button, if you're on YouTube, then when I get ready to go live, I share a new video, guess what? You would know. So make sure your alerts is on as well. If you're on Facebook and you're on the By Grace Tax Services page, make sure you have your notifications on as well, so you know when I go live or I share information that will help you on the page. But getting back to what I was saying, there is no guessing game, and I've been studying, like I said, posting, sharing with my clients, letting you know that you have all your paperwork. It's a reason for that. I know that they're doing a test, the test batches right now, and A lot of people are getting accepted and a lot of people want the loans. But what happens is you go ahead and do that and you're accepted. That don't mean because you're accepted, you're approved during tax season. You just accepted. So if the information does not match the IRS or you have errors this year, you will have to amend that tax return and it will be delayed. I've been posting, I've been doing videos. I'm not playing, you guys. I've been sharing what the IRS is saying. And like I said, I had training on this, so I know. So I don't want you to have your tax return delayed because of mistakes. The IRS is already behind on tax returns from 2019 and 2020. So right now, if you have already, let's just say that you filed your tax return already and they haven't accepted it. Okay, you get another letter in the mail from unemployment, from the child tax credit, and stuff is not matching up. My software partner told me that this year, that if it's not matching, then you will be delayed. You will be delayed, and you probably gonna have to amend that return. And when you amend returns, it takes up to 16 weeks. Even if you amend it, e-file it and amend it. Because now it used to be papered in 1040X, but now you can e-file the 1040X, but it's still going to take the same amount of time, you guys. It's not going to be fast. So you still might have to wait months and weeks. And you already, some of you who have the earned income credit and the child advanced child tax credit, you know, because of the PATH Act, it's gonna have to be delayed anyway to late February until they release it. But let's just say you have errors. Like I said, it could be months. So I'm letting you know, especially my clients know, when you do these things and say, you know what, I want to go ahead and file anyway because I need the money right now, and you rush and do it, you will mess yourself up that way. And then you be coming back to me if I file your returns and it's likely, why has I not received my tax refund yet? And everybody else is getting theirs. Not saying that everybody's going to get theirs at one time, but we have to be careful this year, and you have to choose wisely. I've been saying it with your tax preparer. Even if you don't choose me, you have to make sure that you're getting in all your paperwork. And I've been sharing, you guys, not from just what I'm saying, straight from the IRS, straight from my training that I get from being a certified tax preparer. We have to have training each year, and we have to be updated with the new tax season. So I'm letting you guys know for a reason. And a lot won't tell you, but I want to let you know. So it's starting on the 24th, the official date. Even though some of you who have filed, they already accepting some of them because it's a test batch. They do that every year, the IRS. I'm going to recap some more information that I shared to you guys earlier this year. Okay? I'm going to see that you can hear me first of all. I usually check that before I start, but I'm going to make sure I check now to make sure you can hear me clearly on your end. I'm going to make sure I put the comments back up there too, to make sure that you can hear me. Comments back up there too. Okay. I always check to make sure that y'all can hear me. Okay, thank you so much, Comfort, for letting me know. Thank you so much. Okay, back to what I was saying. I'm going to share my slides again, okay, to let you guys know, because I want you to get your money. I don't want people's tax returns to be delayed. We're already in a pandemic. We're already going through so much. So if you be a little patient and wait, and Make sure you have everything before you file. Everything will work out for you. But if you're trying to rush it and get it now, and I need the advance loan now, and you don't have all the correct tax return, you might get the advance. But I seen people last year that get the advance, and then when the other money, it take months for them to get it. You don't want to be one of those people that have to wait and be delayed for months, wondering where's your tax refund, right? You need your money. So that's why I'm sharing all of this information. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead as usual. You know, I always share my slides with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start because I want you guys to know this. And some people have already got some of the information I shared last time. So what you should know, don't do before, don't rush and do before you hear this. You need to know about avoiding the tax return delays. And the IRS has been steady posting on it too. How to avoid tax return delays. Okay? And I'm stressing the importance of this. For those of you who don't know me, I know a lot of people on my Facebook don't know me. If you're on YouTube or you watching me because I'm streaming live on different sites. I am Linda Likely. I'm the owner, the founder, and the CEO of Grace Tax Services LLC. I also have an MBA. I'm a certified tax preparer and also an ERO, meaning I am authorized to e-file by the IRS. Okay? Just introducing myself, okay, to you guys who don't know me. Now, 2022 it has changes of the tax laws every year. This is why you should choose your tax preparer wisely or do some research if you decide to even do your tax returns yourself, because some people do file it on their own. It's important that you know the tax law updates. Okay. Also the information you can get from IRS.gov. A lot of information on IRS.gov, but they shared a lot with us during our training. I know they shared a lot with me. My software partner shared a lot with me through the training about what's happening this tax season. By the way, guys, like I said, we cannot retract. They have allowed us the other years before tax season open up, the official date, we were sending them off, completing tax return and sending them off, and they were not accepting yet because it wasn't an official date. So if we had something wrong with our clients and they told us, we could get it back. We could contact, I could contact my software partner and say, it's an error, and they will send it back for me to correct the errors. But this year, this administration does not want us to retract a tax return. Okay, so they are not making it easy for anyone this year, right? So you have to be correct with everything. You have to be accurate with the unemployment, with whatever you put with your W-2s to match, with the child tax credit. All of that has to match. It used to be, the guessing game, and make sure you have the paperwork to accurately match what you put in on that tax return. Because if you don't, you get audited, and if you don't have it, you're going to have to repay it back. Okay? So I'm telling you all of this for a reason. A lot of people, saying why she's saying that, because I'm trying to help you. Okay? Because I don't want your tax return delayed. I don't want you having to wait for months and there'll be errors, or you never do. Some people still have not received the tax return from last year. I'm thankful that all of my clients last year, it took a minute, but they all received their tax refund. Okay? They all received it. And I want this year it be the same way. Okay? No long delays. All right? the earned income tax credit and child tax credit. Now we know that those will be delayed because of the PATH Act that was mandated that the IRS not to issue a refund on tax return claiming the earned income tax credit or additional child tax credit until February 15th. Okay. Estimated to start receiving the earned income tax credit refunds is February the 22nd. I'm saying 22nd, 2022. Okay, that's the expected date if you have the earned income tax credit or the child tax credit. That's when you should start receiving that. Don't mean everybody's going to receive it at one time. Also, please understand, just because you filing early and when they're launched to date, and people start receiving it on one particular day, that does not mean that you will receive yours on that particular day. So you have to wait and check, where is my refund on irs.gov. Anything you need to know, go to irs.gov. Okay. The best time to file your taxes, my opinion, when the IRS starts receiving and accepting the return, as long as you have all your information. The IRS been sharing that for the upcoming weeks before tax season. They'll probably be sharing it again. Make sure you have all of your documents and they match. We know the IRS official e-filing season date is January 24th, 2022, correct? But like I said, they're doing a test batch. So they have already started receiving and accepting some of the tax returns. So just make sure you receive all your documents before you file. I had to tell other people that today, okay? Make sure you have all your documents and that it matches what the IRS has on file. When you're selecting your tax preparer, if you haven't, make sure the benefits of us being your tax preparer is that we know the tax laws, the tax code, and all those, because the tax code is complicated and mistakes will cost you. You make mistakes this year, it will definitely cost you. You have to wait a long time. It can save you money because you have to amend the return. If you amend the return, you have to pay more money. Now, the only return that I'm amending this year will be my clients, and I made that known at the beginning of January. The tax preparer can answer questions and resolve issues. Money saving tax planning. They can tell you things that will help you to save also. And the tax plan takes the hassle out of doing it yourself. So it's best to try to get, especially this year with tax season being the way it is, I recommend it. I have been on a different site, social media sites, and seen a lot of people complaining about they don't understand what's going on and why is it different. Too little refund, too huge of a refund. So, being a tax preparer, we can help you understand that, okay? What can cause possible delays? The tax preparer must have the exact information that the IRS has on file with the advanced tax credit. If you receive the advanced tax credit, that's going to be have to be paid back also. When you file early and you don't get all of your paperwork in and it doesn't match, it's going to be delayed. And the IRS, like I said, has been posting just as well as me about that. There's no guessing this year. You can't come to your taxpayer and say, I think it was $800, and they put that in there. And if it don't match up with the IRS says, your tax return will be delayed. And you will have to amend also the amount. So it must be exact. The way that you find out is wait on the letters in the mail. If your letter don't come, go to irs.gov. It has all the information about setting up and logging in to see the amount that you should have received from the IRS with the advanced child tax credit. Any wrong information on your tax return? You have any wrong information? Delayed. And like I said, they don't have that many workers this year either. Let me throw that in. They don't have that many workers. So they already expecting some delays because the shortage of employees because of the coronavirus, because of COVID. So make sure everything is right, accurate before you file and you have all your paperwork. Also, if it's wrong again, they will have to amend your return, which could take months for you to receive your tax refund. Now, I'm warning you, I'm letting you know. I'm already letting you know before it starts in case it happens. Now, I pray and hope that it doesn't happen. I want everybody to receive their refund because everybody needs that money, right? That you deserve from the IRS. Okay, letting you know about by Grace Tax Services LLC, and what we offer is the virtual tax preparation. We started accepting them January the 3rd. I put the second, but it was 3rd. Also, you can do it on a secure online portal. I have had clients already starting to give me information. It's very simple, very easy to do. You can send me documents, schedule an appointment first, schedule an appointment on the portal. You can upload the documents on the portal and tell me what it is, and it come directly to me, and I just print it out. I have it coming to my desktop that's secure. Uploaded documents, W-2, driver license, social security, and they can be pictures or not documents because I can print them out myself. Self-employment information or any tax documents. Now, for self-employment, you have to be in healthcare, e-commerce, business, or home care. That's what I specialize in, and that's what I'm accepting this year. Schedule appointments and communicate by phone, email, or either by FaceTime, Zoom, Duo, or whatever you have to do if you want to do face-to-face live. You will be able to sign your tax documents because you're going to be able to know how much you're getting. So you have to sign the tax documents. I cannot e-file you if you do not sign the tax documents. So for those of you who are worried about doing it, I cannot submit them no way if you're not signing the information and you don't know it. I have discussed all the information with you before submitting it to the IRS. All of your fees are discussed at your appointment that you schedule. You ask me about the fees then, and I will tell you. If you inbox me on Facebook or social media, I cannot answer that question because I try to handle everything professionally and take a look at it and make sure everything is right, the fees, everything is accurate before I tell you. So you have to schedule an appointment. That's one-on-one. Also know that we have audit protection. If you want audit protection, make sure that you ask before I file or ask before another tax preparer file you to add audit protection. This is for this tax season only, be covered as well, but it will be with a CPA that will help you if you audited. That don't mean that you will be audited. It just protect you if you are. We are offered in 50 states. Offered in 50 states tax preparation. $25 referrals I offered last year the same way. Some people took advantage of the $25 referrals. If this is not a $25 referral, is you refer somebody to me, I have to approve for them to go through tax preparation, and they have to be approved by the RS. And then when they're approved and the refund is sent, you receive your $25. Also, a surprise giveaway will be given the last day of tax season. I give one every year. We had a guy last year, and then we had a lady the year before. I have been excited about the surprise giveaways, and I always announce it on the last day. So when you file tax preparation with me, you will be entered also into a surprise drawing given on the last day of the tax season. Okay. This is what the secure online tax portal looks like. You see the text, the desktop look, and also the mobile or the tablet if you're using it. Also, if you're not on our Facebook page, it's at Grace Tax Service You can go on, that's how you go to the Facebook page link. You can email us at info@bygracetax.com. The portal link, I have it on the slide, live.visita.com/bygracetax. You can learn more about us by also going to the online portal. You see all scroll, and also it's another website. You scroll on the online portal and learn even more about By Grace Tax Services LLC and about me if you don't know. You can create an account, schedule tax appointments and other services, complete tax preparation. You can schedule other appointments with me about anything else through that online portal. You can email, message by phone, and I will get everything. So I'm here to help you. Okay, I'm here to help you guys. So when you get ready to schedule the appointment, you go to the online portal and you hit schedule an appointment on there. Then it will take you to this screen. You pick a date, you pick a time, you pick my name, and when you press the blue button that says continue, you will go to the next screen to confirm your booking. Okay? It's as simple as that, and I will get back to you. To upload documents, you should see this. You should see the little link to upload the little paper clip to upload documents, and then put the title of the document and your little message. Hi, Miss Likely, this is my social security card, this is my driver's license, my W-2. All of that, it comes directly to me, and I will get a notification about it. Okay, you guys, anything that you upload. So it's very simple and easy. And like I said, I cannot submit it without talking to you or you submitting your documents. Now, we offer direct deposit. The IRS want everybody to make sure they do direct deposit this year because that's the easiest way. But a lot of people like the paper checks. You do the paper, you try to go by paper tax preparation, it's gonna take months. So they're urging everybody to do direct deposit. So I do printed checks, Go Bank, and direct deposit. Those are the tax products that I have this year. With the Go Bank, you can even pick up at Walmart as well. You can learn more about it. I will make sure I be posting about the Go Bank and all the things that come with it. Okay, you are so welcome, Comfort. Thank you, all of you, for watching. Again, this is not no long video. I just want to make sure that you know all the information, and you should see how to email us. You should see live.visita.com/site by Grace Tax on your screen. That's the link that you go to the portal, and you can subscribe on YouTube channel for other information as well. Okay, you guys, I have enjoyed talking, but yes, make sure that you have all your information. Make sure you have all your information, because if you don't have all your information, and there's a lot of people gonna be disappointed. A lot of people who have filed had went. You have a great evening too, Comfort. A lot of people have already filed, and they're gonna be surprised that the IRS is not playing this year. It's the reason they're not letting us retract. I'm just letting you know. It's a reason they're not letting us retract to get the refund back to help you guys. And it's got to be accurate. So I'm sharing all this information as it's given to me, I give back to you. Also, there's a lot of other credits when you're a tax preparer that you can help your clients get that they don't know about it. So it's a good thing to have a tax preparer there to help you, and I'm here to help you with anything you need. So I pray that this has helped those who watching to be aware and be alerted on that. So the tax season will begin, you guys, in a few days officially, even though they already have started accepting some of them now. It'll be officially starting on the 24th. So I'm looking forward to a great tax season. I already started getting clients, but I just want you guys to be aware. to make sure you have all your paperwork, to make sure that you have everything, because some people will not tell you that and you will wonder why. It's important that everything matches. This is like my fourth year, but my third year with my own tax business. And by the way, I know I shared that I am authorized so by the IRS. So when I go through training, we get more information. We have more information that's what's on IRS.gov, because they let us know all the new things that's going on with tax season this year. So just be aware, okay, you guys? And I hope that y'all have a great evening. If you have not um seen all this video, go back and watch it from the beginning, okay? And y'all have a great night, okay? Be blessed.